Top 5 Best LG Window Air Conditioner. Top 1. LG LW1516 ER 15000 BTU 115V Window Mounted Air Conditioner with Remote Control. Uses standard 115V electrical outlet, refrigerant, R32. 15,000 BTUs, cools a room up to 800 square Ft. Air humid, PTSHR. 3.3 dBA level, indoor-outdoor. 59/65. 3 cooling speed/3 fan speeds for cooling flexibility. Cooling area, Sq.Ft. 800. Top 2. LG LW1815 ER 18,000 BTU 230V slide-in out chassis air conditioner with remote control. Made in USA. 18,000 BTU air conditioner with slide-in out chassis for window installation. Special 230V electrical outlet required. Unit will not work with a standard 115V outlet. Cools a room up to 1000 square Ft. Top 3. LG LW1816 hour 18,000 BTU 230V conditioner. Energy efficiency ratio, ER. 11:2, cooling. Special 230V electrical outlet required. Unit will not work with a standard 115V outlet. 17,500/18,000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 1000 square Ft. Top 4. LG Window Air Conditioner 18,000 BTU Heat Cool. Brand, LG. Item description, Window Air Conditioner. Cooling square feet, 1000. BTU cooling, 18,000. Top 5. LG LW2516 ER 24,500 BTU 230V Window Mounted Air Conditioner with Remote Control. Special 230V electrical outlet required. Unit will not work with a standard 115V outlet. 24,500 BTUs, cools a room up to 1,560 square Ft. Dehumidification up to 7.7 pints per hour. 3 cooling speeds/3 fan speeds for cooling flexibility.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.